In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege error code matchmaking error. So this should be a quick and easy process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is open up any browser you have and just type in service status Rainbow Six Siege. So after you type that, just go ahead, scroll down until you find the first link, which I'm about to show you. As you can see, this is the first link, which is service status. When you click on it and you have a problem with your Rainbow Six Siege, it will pop up here, as you can see. If you're playing on PC or anything, it will pop up here. So just give it a minute to load and it will pop up for you, as you can see. So if nothing shows up for you, just give it a moment to refresh on its own, as you can see right there, and you should be all good to go. So as always, thank you for watching.